Control your vehicle remotely using the Smart Key. Press the lock button on the Smart Key and within 4 seconds, press the remote start button for 2 seconds to remotely start the car. Using the forward-backward buttons on the Smart Key, you can move the vehicle forward or backward from outside. Try pressing the tailgate button to open and close the tailgate. Press the emergency button on the Smart Key in emergency situations. If the battery is discharged and the Smart Key is not working, first, remove the manual key on the back of the Smart Key to open the car. After getting a new battery, use the manual key to open the Smart Key cover. Install the battery with the plus and minus symbols properly oriented and reassemble the Smart Key.
Kia, movement that inspires.